As you can see, I'm one barring. I've been worse at barring since last round. You can see if I time out, because then obviously they flooded me. Obviously we're up 2-0. I don't know what's going on right now. This is really annoying me. And then there I go, I'm offline. Now, if I just timed out, it will be in sign out. Obviously a flood, your one bar connection interrupted. Obviously it's not gonna let me sign back in, but yeah, here's my proof of me getting booted. I'll upload this admin, please. I beg you. As you can see, we're winning first map. They have 4 disputes already. They obviously flood. Yeah. So yeah.